Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME GT Neo 3T, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Let's start by turning off all the unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the Quick Access panel and let's take a closer look of all the items. So firstly, if you're not using Wi-Fi, just disable it and use only mobile data, and if you are using only mobile data now, just disable Wi-Fi, because if unnecessary services is running, it means that this service consuming your battery power. Okay, then disable your location services, because location services consuming a lot of battery power, and disable Bluetooth if you are not using it. The next step is to enable dark mode, because you have LED screen. It means that in dark places your screen is not working, so consumes less battery power. Okay, moving on. The next step is enable power saving mode. To do it, open settings, scroll down, choose battery here, open power saving mode and just enable it. As you can see, battery power saving mode is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.